Hello! UseResponse allows to add automation options to live chat solution that can help you with providing response when operators are not available or when it's required to set automated instructions. In this video, we'll show you how to send automatic replies in chat conversations. To add automation response, go to Administration, Automation and Notifications. Click New Trigger button. Give a name for a trigger, select Required Event from a drop-down menu. It would be incoming message in our example. In Conditions, specify keywords based on which you'll send automatic response. Under Actions, select Send Chat Message. Choose its type. In our example, we'll send text message, while you can provide targeted articles or FAQs from your knowledge base. Enter the text of the message. Once you're done, hit Submit. In case visitor sends a message that will match conditions in the trigger, auto message will be sent on agent's behalf. That's it. Hope the video is helpful.